What's up, guys? Joe and Erica from the AZ Westside Wheelers here. Today we're going to do some testing on a Synergy lift kit. No, we are not in the Jeep. SuperDuty day. Hey, we're headed to the lake. We got the F40 fridge, King Boss set up. Everything's just headed out for a lake day, man. We're gonna go do some testing on this Synergy suspension, see how the Fox shocks handle what I consider to be one of our rougher trips in this Ford. So we go down a rough dirt road to an unknown cove out there, and we go out to the lake. But it's a rough washboardy road, and it will actually test and see how this thing feels going down a crappy road. I'm guessing like butter compared to last time. Stick around. Here we are, we're doing the speed limit. Yeah, we're doing the speed limit down the highway, and this thing feels great, like really, really great. I love the ride of it. So before, when you would hit things, it would buck and fight you real hard and kind of bounce around and act like a one-ton truck. This thing is smooth. No shimmer, no issues. The only thing I had to do as far as an alignment was straighten the steering wheel. The rest of it is pretty much taken care of with their caster shim and everything like that. No shutters. I can let go of the steering wheel and this thing's nice. So, great job, Synergy. Now, the real test is gonna be right here. The dirt road. We can't show you where, but it's a dirt road. And it's not like it's super hard. It's not a four-wheel drive. I actually used to bring a car out here. But it is known for being very washboardy, and it's pretty, you go way out there and then dip down to the lake. So you kind of end up going downhill, uphill, lots of washboardy, rocky. For this thing, there's gonna be some flexing in the dirt and things of that nature. So stick around, we're gonna see how this thing feels. Woo, yeah, baby. 35. It's not perfectly bladed. Of course they bladed it, but as you can see, we're doing 35. I don't want to do much more than that because there's houses and stuff, and I try and be respectful. But there's some washboardy stuff, and I've been hitting the little ridges, and we'll see once we get towards the lower section where you head down. That's not as bladed. And it's also more rutted because there's a lot more angle to it. This is pretty flat area, but this feels better than this truck's ever rode down a dirt road. And I used to take this thing down a dirt road every day for work, so feels great. So here's the real test of this thing. Because everybody spins and hops coming up and down this steep grade, it gets really rough and rocky and just kind of crappy through here. And honestly, this doesn't feel bad at all. Granted, this is not as bad as we've seen it, but I've also seen this thing, like I say, I used to bring my Buick Skylark out here. So it didn't used to be too bad, but then everybody started knowing about the area and it got a lot worse. As you can see, there's some washboard corners. Don't feel like nothing. Honestly, this thing kind of rides like my Jeep. Thank you, Synergy. That's what I was hoping for. The Fox shocks are absolutely absorbing this thing. I'm just loving it. Let's do this, guys. Like, hell, full send. Let's just get it. My wife's over here giving me no.
No. I don't
Synergy
feel
says
like
you can jump it now.
It's Mother's Day weekend. We don't need to be being stupid. Thank you, but no thank you.
Okay, so we are now doing like 40. And it feels great. Like Synergy for the win. there you have it, guys. Here we go. Crappy, rough, headed uphill, and this thing is just smooth as silk. I'm loving it. Synergy, you guys nailed it. Fox shocks, these guys are awesome. So these shocks have really changed how this thing used to feel. With the Bilstein 5100s, it was real sloshy, and the front end had quite a bit of sag. So those Synergy springs, they're a lot bigger diameter, and they actually hold weight better. So not only are you getting a taller tire or a taller spring, but you're also getting a thicker diameter, and it's a lot stronger. So we appreciate you guys sticking around for the video. We love testing out this stuff. We're going to be doing some more 1-ton videos coming to the channel. We'll be doing a little bit of diesel repair, just minor maintenance and things like that. Super Duty's coming to the channel. So stick around. You guys have a good day. Like, subscribe, share, and don't forget, stay wheeling.